What's wrong with the dishwasher?
I'm going to take the screws out of the dishwasher.
Go. Alright, good.
Okay, I'm going to take out the hockey puck. And I don't even know what it is, and I don't know what a hockey puck would be doing in the dishwasher.
Go.
Ah! I can't do that. That was easy. Come on, do it.
You gotta get the hockey puck.
How can I do it? Oh, there's a bunch of water in there. I got to pick out these screws.
Those are longer ones, you have to drill it more. Or use two hands, but. What are you about to do?
Take out that piece.
Why are you going to take out that piece? Because why?
I need to.
Yeah, because that's what's making all the noise, right? You found it. Alright, get it. Alright, show the camera what it was. Yep, that was in there. Good job. Thanks, buddy.
Try to put this thing back in. Okay, I'm going to put this back.
Too hard, too hard, too hard, too hard.
Put this thing back in. Wait. I am going to put this piece in. The last piece of putting it back.
There you go. Tight as you can. Nice. Try. Oh yeah. What did we forget to do?
Put in the dishes.
No, we don't have any dishes. What did we forget to do outside?
Shit on it.
Oops.
We fixed the dishwasher.